Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in alcohol phenol ether chapter. Okay. So the next day I will give the solution to this. So before that, all of you be ready for that. Okay. Let us see the first sum. See here, CH3CH double bond CH2 reacts with B2H6 H2O2 in presence of OH minus to get A, which on or it produces A produces or A gives B when reacts with PCC. PCC means pyridinium chlorochromate. It's a mild oxidation agent. Okay. So if you do this, you have to find out the product, identify the compounds A and B. Okay. So option A, propan 2-ol, propanone. Option B, propan 1-ol, propanol. Option C, propanone, propanoic acid. Option D, propanone, propan 2-ol. Okay. Right. Next one. Question number 2. Identify the reagent in the following reaction. CH3, CH2, CH2OH, arrow mark. Here some reagents will come. Okay. Then only I put what? Question mark. That becomes what? CH3, CH double bond CH2. Here also an arrow mark will come. Okay. That some reagents will come here. Your aim is to find out only the reagent. Okay. What kind of reagent that? Okay. You have to find out. Then that becomes what? CH3CHO plus HCHO. Okay. So option A, CrO3, then PCC. Option B, KMNO4, PCC. Option C, PCC, CrO3. Option D, concentrated H2SO4, then O3, zinc in presence of H2O. Okay. So we have to find out among the 4, any 2 reagents will be there. Okay. Right. Next one. Third question. Identify the compound A which gives white precipitate with bromine water. So A only we have to find out. Okay. So this is anisole reacts with Hi to form A plus CH3I. That A we have to find out what is A. Simple question. But I have given one clue also. A gives, A which gives white precipitate with bromine water. Okay, that's one clue also I have given. But in the reaction itself also we can use to find out what is A. Understood? Option A, phenol. Option B, orthonitroanisole. Option C, picric acid. Option D, cyclohexanol. Understood? Right. Fourth question, CH3CH2OH gives A, reacts with 413 Kelvin concentrated sulfuric acid. Then again A gives B, reacts with excess Hi. Okay, this is a question. We have to find out A and B. Option A, ethoxyethane ethyl iodide. Option B, ethene ethoxy ethane. Option C, methoxyethane ethene. Option D, propoxypropane ethene. So these are the options. Okay, we have to find out A and B. Understood? Next one. Fifth one. Identify the compound C. So here ABC is there, but they are asking to find out only C. Understood? Aniline, reacts with sodium nitrate in presence of HCl at 273 Kelvin to form A. Then A gives B in presence of cuprocyanate and HCN. Again B forms C in presence of H2O and H plus. Okay. So our aim is to find only C. Okay. Option A, benzene diacetyl chloride. Option B, benzene. Option C, chlorobenzene. Option D, benzoic acid. Understood? Next one. Sixth question. The compound which gives turbidity immediately by adding Lucas reagent. Okay. The compound reacts with the concentrated sulfuric acid to form an alkene A. So that alkene only we have to find out. That alkene I consider as A. So find A. Okay. Option A, butadiene. Option B, butadiene. Option C, 2-methylpropene. Option D, butadiene. Okay. Right. Next one. Seventh question. This is phenol. Phenol reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid to form A. The same phenol reacts with nickel in presence of H2 to get B. So this is a question. So identify A and B. Okay. So option A, parabenzoquinone and benzene. Option B, benzene and parabenzoquinone. Option C, picric acid and cyclohexanol. Option D, cumene and aniline. Okay. So these are the 7 questions. So you try to find out. Okay. The next day I will give the solutions to you. Thank you, students.